there's been a catalogue of failures from my perspective, not communicating with me or evaluating the situation properly, and we put strategies in place to manage him and the situation. And it's almost as if you have to get to a crisis situation before anybody steps in. So I went to size because I was so frustrated and felt very disempowered. And then to have somebody come and to listen to my experience and be told it wasn't in my head and have it validated in a way gave me that confidence to articulate it more, to get it on paper. And with that size, I wouldn't have been able to do that. I feel like I've had size to enable me to get that challenge done, and we've had a very good response and an apology from them. I couldn't have done that without my advocate, and Slice will support anybody through that. Getting their voice heard and listened to and validated. I couldn't have done it without them.